What is going on, everyone? It is Mike, and I'm reporting to you live from CES. Well, not really CES, this is my hotel room, but I'm at CES, and we are checking out all the new tech that is coming out this year. So first on our list is going to be the Brydge Pro Plus from Brydge. Now, this is the new keyboard that for the iPad Pro, the 11-inch and the 12.9-inch, that trackpad to the popular Brydge Pro keyboard for the iPad. Now, this has been one of my big takeaways since I reviewed it. I think it was in April or May of last year. Really that using this keyboard, I almost was duped into thinking that there was a trackpad, that it was my MacBook. It was that legit feeling, or it was that legit where it really left a strong impression that you were using a MacBook. And now Brydge has delivered on that, giving a trackpad with iPadOS. Now this keyboard is going to go ahead and bring the same styling from Brydge's previous keyboards, update a bit with adding a trackpad in the palm rest, allowing you to go ahead and use this as a single integrated solution instead of actually carrying around a mouse or a mouse to use with your iPad Pro. Starting today, the Brydge Pro Plus is going to be available for $199 for the 11-inch and $229 for the 12.9-inch. The pre-orders are going to start with the addition of a multi-touch trackpad, which is going to be found in the palm rest. Now, this multi-touch trackpad is made possible with using the accessibility feature in iPadOS. Starting on January 7th, the first 500 pre-orders are going to be available to ship in late February, with the remaining orders shipping in March. Now, coming in at $199 for the 11-inch, or $229 for the 12.9-inch, this is absolutely going to be a premium product, because chances are, if you already use an iPad Pro, you have a keyboard, and if you have a keyboard, if you like something that's premium, you already have a Brydge keyboard, because it's probably going to be one of the nicest keyboards available. You're really not going to go drop another $229 just for a trackpad because you're already using a mouse. Now, I think a lot of people have been kind of clamoring for this, whether or not it's going to be successful coming at $229. That is high cost, especially when you consider this product is halfway through its life cycle. Whether or not it will get refreshed very soon, maybe in the fall, it remains to be seen. But if you're gonna buy this keyboard, you're probably gonna be stuck with it for a long period of time. So that is gonna wrap it up for me, folks. Let me know in the comments below if you think spending $199 or $229 on this keyboard is something that you're gonna do. Otherwise, make sure that you are subscribed for when that full review drops. I am Mike, and I'll talk to you in the next one.